Echo. Echo, echo, echo. Echo. Baby. Yep, good for you, baby. Eating broccoli and apple. I don't know the exact, but she's between 18 months and 2 years old. Do have a beautiful yellow one. I will get a movie of him. Hopefully that's a boy, but they don't get along. Echo does not like him. It's because Echo thinks, he thinks that he's a person. I don't know. Haven't gotten into that little birdie brain there. Bird brain. They're very smart. What you doing, Annie, Annie, Annie? Hey, baby. There she is. Come here, Annie. Come on. Come on, baby. Annie. Annie. One of the finches fell down. Usually, they will use that ladder and climb straight up. That is Chichi Birdy's house. Little Miss Dramatic. Let's see if she will come out. Chichi Bird. Step up. Hello. Hello, baby. Oh no. Who's on top of my house? Come here, baby. Up, up. Chichi. Chichi. Who's a pretty Chichi? Who's a pretty Chichi bird? What do you think, Cheech? Want to step up? Step up. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, so pretty. I wish you would talk when you're out at nighttime. Oh, and these guys are 10 weeks old. Just looked on the calendar. They're a little concerned about Chichi. What are you up to? Okay. Sometimes they'll go in there and raid his house and eat his food. Won't they, Chichi? Come here, step up. Let's see. Come here. Walk slowly. Usually he'll fly away. But I do happen to know that he loves fresh food. So, excuse me, step up, please. No, excuse me. Here, on my shoulder. Oh, Chichi Bird, look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay, Echo. Back you go. Don't frighten Chichi. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know, right there. That's called sharing. Hi, Chichi. Hi, pretty, pretty baby. Come on, Chichi. Yum, yum. Turn off this stupid fan. Ah, there he goes. Just in case he wants to take a bath. See these buttons? Yeah. Echoes all those buttons too. Yeah. So I have to hide anything like that. After he jumped on my Apple wireless keyboard, and believe it or not, I keep saying he, it's a she. She ate the key with the E. Ripped that E right off. But that's when she was a baby. Chichi Bird. There's some more apple. I know what she might be waiting for. There's some crackers. Who's a good Chichi Bird? Yeah. Best parakeet I've ever had. He's got the life now. Good baby. We're both eating. Good baby, Echo, Echo, Echo. Peekaboo. So, Annie, Annie, Annie? Annie, Annie, Annie? Hi, Annie. Come on, Annie. She's like a cat. I shall fly to you on my terms. Stofer, look how pretty you got. Yes. Stofer got a bath. He's like, what's she barking at, Mom? What? I don't know. Go see. Sorry, did I frighten you? I'm so sorry.